At a personal level, what is your financial net worth?
645 million, Chairman.
645 million. How is it made up?
Well, my Nairobi house has got a value of 120 million shillings. Upcountry, my residential house upcountry, Mr. Chairman, is worth 70 million. I own land upcountry worth 200 million. 4 cars worth about 15 million. A hotel facility, not fully complete, but 80 million as at now. Though based on the bill of quantities on completion, it's worth 293 billion. I've ventured heavily into commercial tree planting. And as at now, I estimate that the value proposition of that is 160 million, Chairman. This comes to a sum total of 645 million.
Excellent. Now I'll give you your 10 minutes to tell us the journey of your life.
Thank you very much, Chairman. I'm happy to be here. My name is Eliud Owalo. I was born on 27th February, the year 1967, in Asembo. Asembo is in Rarieda district of Siaya County. I went to the local Oboch Primary School before proceeding to Maseno National School for my O-levels, and then subsequently to St.